Hey everyone, welcome back to 956 Flips. If you're new to the channel, I buy liquidation merchandise. I go to pawn shop flea markets, thrift stores. I purchase stuff online to resell. On occasion, I also do repairs on consoles. If you're into this kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And in today's video, I picked up some more Nintendo Dsis. These were as is purchased off of eBay, so let's go ahead and get into them. Alright, so here's the box, guys. Gonna try to open this up with one hand. It's kind of difficult. I think it can be done. These are from China or Japan, one of those two places. I'll check out the auction right now. We'll check it out after I open it up. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's got that plastic on there. I removed the label and the plastic is still on there. That's where the label came. Alright, so this is just going to be a sneak peek, and then I'll go ahead and take them all out and we'll start going through them. But this is DSIs, guys. A whole bunch of them. I like the way they shipped them. Really well protected. Also, guys, I'm running a free giveaway. I'm gonna put the link in the description. That's gonna run for a month, and then I was thinking after that, thank you. My daughter has been working on a DSi. She custom painted it, and I'm thinking of doing this as the second giveaway. She's put a lot of work into this console. I think it came out great. She's already worked on another one, and the other one I think I'm going to keep, but I really like the way this one came out. So what do you think? Should I give this one away as the next raffle or giveaway? Let me know, guys. I think this would be an awesome giveaway item. Alright, let's go ahead and start getting into the DSs. Alright, so here they are outside of the box, and I'm going to show you real quick how much I paid for these guys. So it was a lot of 30, and I paid 260. And there you are. So let's go ahead and open them up and start testing them out. Alright, guys, here we go. There's the first one. It's a blue console. Let's see if it's got any power. It does light up. That's awesome. Let's see if it charges real quick. This might be one of those that has a problem with the charge. No? Maybe reading a game? Let me grab a game real quick, guys. So with shipping and taxes, well, actually shipping was free, but with taxes came out to like $2.80 something, which is about $9 a piece. Wow, I picked up the game. Let's see if we can change the language. No, I don't remember. Yeah, this one's gonna be, I'm gonna have to look it up. I don't remember how to change the language on these. I know you can because they're like the DS Lites, but we'll do that in a second. I'll figure it out. So far, the first one, right off the bat, working. That is awesome, and it's a cool looking color. I'm just going to give it a little cleaning. It's a little dirty. Nothing outrageous. But yeah, check that out, guys. Buttons work. Yep. Alright. And it charges. Awesome. First one off the bat, and it's working. Alright, so did a little research, and no, you cannot change the language on the DSi. So we'll just keep going. This is another blue one. This was the last one. No, this one worked. Let's see what this one does. It's got some dirt on there. The screen's kind of scratched up. Okay, so we've got a broken top screen. The screen's very dark. I wish I knew what I was pressing on here. I don't speak the language or can read it. Yeah, who knows. There is online, you can Google it and it'll kind of translate the settings for you. So yeah, let's see if this one charges and if it picks up the game real quick. Let's see. Got the charger. It does charge. Put in the game real quick. And it picked up the game. That's not bad, guys. Top screens are they're a pain in the butt to do, but they can be done. Alright. I'll do another video of changing out the top screen. They're way more difficult than the DS Lites, but it can be done. Alright. Moving on. Let me go ahead and mark this guy. Oh, I know what's wrong with it. We need to mark it. Here's our next one. Cool bright red color. This one has no power. Let's see if we plug it in if it gets any power. It does show a charge, but no power. Alright. Let's move on to the next one. Tag this guy real quick. And when I'm working on him, I know what I'm doing. I don't like doing double work. Here's the next one. Alright. Red? Or is it pink? This looks red. I guess it's just because it's beat up. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's red for sure. Oh, we got power. It's a good sign. The screen's turned on. Let's see if it picks up the game. It does. Let's see what charges. Wrong plug. Got a multi-plug. Multi-charger. It does charge. Oh, what happened to the game? Okay. Weird. I don't know, guys. This one I think might have a problem with the game port. Let's try it on again. Yeah, there's something wrong with the slot. Leave it in there, and it goes away. So it seems like it's kind of like pushing it out after a few seconds. Yeah. Well, this is a good case. It's got good screens. I can use this screen over in that one, or find another board that's no good and put it in this one. So still, it's not bad. Go ahead and shut it off. Take the game out. Actually, you know what, guys? Before we move on to the next one, let's put the game back in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it down and see what it does. Let's see if it stays connected. So I'm holding the cartridge down there. Yeah. Let it go. Oh, it's gone, see? Okay. Let's go ahead and go on. Let me tag this one real quick. Now this next one is the right color. I think I'm colorblind because I can tell now this one is pink. This is the red. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what this does. Pop it open. No power. Let's see if it picks up a charge. It does show a charge. Let's see if we can fire it up. Oh, here we go. I think the top screen's messed up. I don't know if you guys caught that. Top screen is gone. Looks like the battery is dead. You can tell some of the damage right there. Who knows what happened to it. But if the board's good, doesn't pick up the game either. Well, picked it up that time. Maybe good cleaning. Clean out the pins. Yeah, I can use this board and that other red one we just were going with. Pink is not a very good seller for me. Red would be a good seller. Or that blue one would be a good seller. Alright. Let's see if it's picking up a charge for the battery. Oh man, it doesn't show it because the screen's gone. I think it shows it on the top screen. Pretty sure it does. Alright. Well, I know it's charging. Let's put this on there. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. We've got quite a few to go through. There's 30 of these guys. So it's going to be some fun time here. This one has power. Looks good. It's about to die. Let's see. Let's plug that in. Shows a charge. Let's put the game in there. This is probably, I'm thinking probably the top. No? Picked up the game. Very nice. This one is working perfectly fine. Well, let's check the buttons before I get all excited. Touchscreen works also. Yeah, this one's good. This one's ready. And these are nice colors. Put it over there with the other one that's working. Alright, now we've got a white one here. This one's probably, it just looks like pen markings. It is disgusting dirty, like they spilled something on it. Yeah, this one's probably going to be water damaged. Let's just try and, this is really gross. This one was really gross. You can see all the stuff they spilled on it. Oh, both screens flashed. Yeah. I'm going to have to open this one up. I'm pretty sure this one's going to be water damage. I mean, you can see all the damage there. Sometimes a good scrubbing on these things, on the board itself, you know, just cleaning it out with, I get a toothbrush and alcohol and I just scrub the board. Sometimes that will bring these things back to life. So, let me tag this. There's quite a few white ones, guys, I'm looking at. Here's another one. It's not bad. Looks to be taken care of. So far so good. Let's go ahead and pop the game in there. Let's go ahead and put the charger. So it does charge. It picks up the game. Looks like it had some other games built in. It's got volume. Touchscreen works. Oops, didn't mean to go that. Buttons work. Yep, this one's working, guys. Awesome. I'm always excited when I buy as is merchandise and some of the stuff works. That is always a plus. That means they're ready to sell and I can start making some of my money back. This one's got a cool little cover on it, but it's really dirty. Hello, another working one. Let's do the same thing we did with the other one. It does charge. It does pick up the game. We got volume. Let's check out the touchscreen real quick. And the buttons, make sure they all work. That works. Yep. Awesome. So far so good. Let's add this to the working pile. Here's another white one. That's not a good sign, right? It's kind of got some, it looks like bite marks on top here. I don't know how well they'll come on the screen, but it does fire up. Let's put the game in. Oops. And it does not pick up the game. Oh wait, spoke too soon. Yeah, I would really like to show you. Oh, you can see it right there. Kind of see it right there on the screen. But it's working. I won't do anything to this but a cleanup. Let's make sure the buttons work. Yeah. Touchscreen works. Oh, it froze. That's not good. Let's try it again. This one probably has the same issue with the cartridge slot. Yes, sir, it does. It's either the cartridge is coming out or the pins inside are really dirty. I'm hoping it's just dirty. Clean that out with compressed air and kind of straighten up the pins if it has any pins. I don't think the DSIs have pins. It's just a little slot. I don't remember. When I open one up, the first one I'll know. Let's try running it again and hopefully it doesn't freeze. Made it a little farther this time. Sure, Ryan. How are you? I have no idea. I'm just pressing whatever. It's working. That's all I wanted to know. I think it was just dirty. So, we'll give this one a passing grade. Just needs a good clean. I will clean them out before I list them. Let's go to the next console. There's a bunch of white ones, man. There's another one. And that one completely just died. So I'm thinking maybe battery? It does charge. Let's go ahead and put the game. We're already going to do all that stuff. The battery was, I guess, completely dead, or yeah. Let's see. Did not pick up the game on the first try, and it is not picking up the game. No. This is one of those with the messed up, yeah, the messed up cartridge slot. I'm holding it down to keep it so it can play. As soon as I let it go, it goes out. See that? Alrighty. Got some good screens. Really wish I could test the game. Let's move on to the next one. There's still some good screens, so I'm going to mark this guy. Let's get another color. There's too many of the white ones. Swap out. Watch out. To another color here. Let's see. That one turned right off. We got charge. The battery is no good on this one. Or has it been just sitting for so long without a charge? Also, it looks like... Nope, it doesn't read the game. Why is that way over there? Hey, look at that. Maybe another good cleaning would get this guy running again. It's after a few tries, it finally picked it up. Touchscreen works. That works. Let's see, up, down, yep. Touchscreen on all sides. B button works. Alright. We'll give it a cleaning. We'll clean out the cartridge slot, and it's good to go. Oh, cool. Check that out, guys. A Kingdom Heart edition. Man, if this one works, I'm keeping it. Even if it doesn't work, I'm gonna build one out of it. This thing is awesome. We got power. Oh, we got charge. I'm sorry, no power. Wait. Here we go. Oh, come on. Looks like the battery's really dead. Yeah. Oh, it fired up, guys. And it picked up the game. Hell yeah, I'm keeping this one. Add it to my collection. I was foolish and sold all my stuff when I was upgrading to newer things. I won't do that anymore. Oops. So the A button works, yep. B button works. Let's check out, yep, touchscreen. Let's go with the buttons. Oh, hell yeah, guys. This one is gonna stay with me. I'll put it over here on the side. Awesome. Alright, here's another one. Black console. I'm just going to start plugging everything in, guys, and checking it that way instead of wasting time. This one has a bad top screen. Whenever the bottom screen flashes like that, see it? That means the top screen is no good. So that's an easy one here. Easy test. You write it down. Alright, we got another white one. Like I said, I'm not going to waste any more time. We're going to do this way. It's easier. We got power. We got cartridge. Sweet. This is a really good purchase. Touchscreen works. Up, down. Yep. Yep. Let's see if the A button works. It does. Awesome. Alright. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, counting this one, 7, and the Kingdom Hearts one, 8 consoles. All I have to do is clean them up a bit, and they're working fine. Here is another white one. that one doesn't charge, that's for sure. Does it turn on? It does. There's something wrong with the charge port. At least the screens are good. Yeah, I think there's something wrong with the charge port, but we got good screens. Yeah. Sound. We got sound. You know what? I'm going to dive into this one later. We're already at the 30-minute mark, and I want to get through this so you guys can see them. Okay, here we go. Next one. This one's all stickered out. Let's see. We got charge. And the charge went away. It's kind of going crazy. Yeah, no power. Alright. Yeah, look at the charge port. It's loose. That's kind of going crazy there. Let's go on to the next one. Okay. Let's see what we got now. We got another white one. This one is disgusting dirty. Let's see what she does. It does show a charge. Let's put our game in there. That's disgusting. But it works. And it picks up the game. These white ones and black ones I'm going to give to my daughter to customize a few of them. I think she really did a really good job on that one I showed earlier. Alright, let's see. We got sound. Touchscreen works. That works. Everything works. Yep. Sweet. This one will need a thorough cleaning. I'll probably have to open it up because that probably got in the inside too. Alright. Here's another white one. This one's just as bad. But hopefully it works. That's a good sign. It's got a little bit of damage. Oh no, it's just dirty. Bros, I thought it was damaged. No, doesn't pick up the game at all. Okay. This one feels like the cartridge port is messed up, so I'm not going to mess with it anymore. And we'll move on to the next one. Alright, here we got a black one. There is charge. The blue light came on for like a second and went away. That was very strange. Alright, there's no power on this one. And the charge light's going on and off. Alright, let's go. Next one. The next one, I think you guys are going to like it, and if it works, I think I'm going to keep that one too. Never had one of these. It's a Pokemon edition. Pokemon Black. Even if it doesn't work, I'm going to build it. So, there's no charge. Man, what happened to this thing? Oh God, look at that. Should have looked before I put what they do to this thing. I think they tried to fix it themselves and just couldn't do it. Alright, I'm keeping that because of the case. I can build it. It's pretty cool. Here's another one. Got another black console. Got some charge. Battery seems to be dead. Let's give it a few seconds. There we go. Oh, shut off again. Bad top screen right off the bat. Right there. And does it play games? It don't look like it. Oh wait, there it is. Yeah, right here, guys. You can see it hardcore now. Yeah, I have no doubt that everything's gonna work besides the top screen. Yeah, we're good. Let's move on. Label this guy. Alright, here we got a white one. This one's not too bad, looks pretty good. Let's see what it does. Got my charge. It's got a charge. It's disgusting inside, but let's see if it works. So far so good. And no on the game port. But we got some good screens. Alright. So this one was a bad cartridge slot. Here we go with a black one. Good screens. Picks up the game. I like it. Just check buttons real quick. We've got 6 more guys and then the video will be over. We're moving along. Touchscreen's good. Yeah, we're good. I'll do a count of how many that work at the end and how many didn't work. That's crazy though. These were, like I say, as is, not working, and so far we've got quite a few that are working fine. Just need a good cleaning. This one's got a screen protector on top, which I'm probably going to take off. It is missing the volume button cover. That is no big deal. That's an easy fix, if that's all that's wrong with it. We've got power. That looks like a screen protector. I think it is. I'm gonna peel that damn thing off. Hey, look at that, guys. The screen's weird, isn't it? Yeah, look at the screens. They're going dark. I have never seen this before. How weird. Well, no further testing needed on this one. Picked up the game. I got a good board. Let me tag this. Maybe it's an issue with the board. Who knows? As of right now, I'm going to tag it as screens and then dive into it later on when I open it up. Alright, we got another white one here. It's got a little stylus. It's got a charge. The bottom screen's really worn out. It'll work like a champ. Feels weird too. I don't think this screen's gonna work. We'll see. What do you think, guys? Works? It works. Everything works. Awesome. I don't know, maybe we'll clean that off. It looks like it's something spilled on it. Let's go with the next one here. And we've got a white one. Love. Got some charge there. Power. Alright. Did not pick up the game. Way. Here we go. Awesome. Should we even keep testing the buttons? So far everything has worked. Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna say this one's a winner. The Love ES is the winner. Awesome. Got a nice little stack of working consoles, guys. It makes my life easier when I don't have to fix them. It's got like a little stain there. You can't see it on camera, but it's there. It's got some little stains here. I think it's... Does it got it covered too? No, it doesn't. Okay. Picked up the game. I don't know, do we need to test this also? I don't think we should, but just for purpose sake, let's give it a quick one. Yeah, it's good. Nice, 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 nice. So happy. You got a black one? This one's got a little charm on it. It's C3PO. Volume's low on this one. We got some sound. We got the game. No joke, this one's working too. And I showed you guys these were as is, not working. It's like, wow. We're good to go on this one. One more, guys, and we're done. Here it is. Here's the last one. SpongeBob edition. No, I'm kidding. It's just a bunch of stickers. Hey, they made it into a SpongeBob edition. Can't go wrong with stickers. And our SpongeBob edition turned on. game is not working. Let's try that again. Yeah, there's something wrong with the board. If I remember correctly, swapping out the Wi-Fi card inside fixes this issue. I'm going to use this one as one of the repairs on my next video. Alright, that is done. Let me tag it real quick and count up our working consoles. And then I'm going to tell you my projected sales amount. Let's see how much money I can make on this. Okay. So working consoles, we got that Kingdom Hearts 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 consoles, almost half of them working from this purchase. And once completely working, I sell these locally at my shop from $30 to $40 a piece. If not, I sell them on eBay. So let's check out real quick what they're selling for on eBay. Alright guys, so I go to this website here, pricecharting.com. I just typed in Nintendo Dsi, and that's the average selling price for a loose DSi. So, and over here it shows you like completed listings, like that one right there. It doesn't come with a charger and it's sold for 65 bucks. Let's check that one real quick. Yeah. Wow, that's pretty cool. 65 bucks? Well, that's an XL. No, that's not. That's just a regular. It says DSi. Sold July 7th for $65. Alright, so let me do some math real quick. Guys, that is my projected amount that I can sell if I get all these working at about 40 bucks a piece. Now, I paid, let's just round it out. And then let's go with another 150 in fees. That's $750, guys. So I think this is a really good purchase. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And that's going to be it for this video, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next video.